another video. Today we're going to be doing something really fun that I'm sure most of you guys know. We're going to be doing a Roblox blind bag. Okay, first draw 4 circles. Common, okay? For common, the color is green, and we're going to leave a little space. So rare, I think I'm going to do orange. So there's my rare. Epic, I'm going to do ice blue. My legendary, I'm going to do pink. I'm going to use pencil because I'm going to be making a Roblox character. So I'm going to be using just a regular Roblox woman. Okay, so we're going to start by drawing a round oval. So now we're going to draw the hair. And then up and then down like that. And then a big ponytail like that. And we're going to draw hair on the other side so it doesn't look bald. So now the eyes on the front of it, we're going to draw nice and big like that. 3 circles and then shade in the last tiny one. Like that. So we're gonna draw her shirt now. We're going to make the pizza shirt, if you guys know that from Roblox. So there's that arm, and then this arm's like kind of further back. And then we're going to make it like that too. And then we're just gonna make the shirt. And we need to make the super awesome cheese pizza there. And then it's like gonna have like cheese dripping off the sides. Draw the lips by simply just drawing a mouth. Just like that. So there we go. Roblox. Draw the little Roblox sign. And then we're gonna draw this. We're gonna shade in, and then we're just gonna put a square right there. That's what it looks like, the little thing. Roblox. Okay, so there's our character for on the front. Okay, there we go. Me and you finish making the front cover of our bag. Okay. We're going to take our tape and then tape, pick it up, and then tape, just like this, guys. Not the finished product, but this is the bag that everything is going in, so let's get everything else started. I take one more piece of paper, just one, and then do the same thing. So we're going to make the body just like this. So like this, we're going to tape this together. And guys, I know this is a lot of steps, but it's worth it at the end. We're going to put a t-shirt. With a big question mark. Question. So like you don't know what it is. So because it's like gonna be a mystery bag. And then I'm going to unbox this in a separate video if you guys want to see what it looks like all together. Okay? So they're just index cards. And we're going to draw the shirt on this. So I'm going to draw And then buttons. We're going to draw this. And then I feel like this needs to be skinnier because like it's a Roblox character. And then just like this. And then we are going to see if it fits. So wait, first I need to draw the sleeves. Okay, there we go. And then we're just going to, wait, we have to color it. So guys, let me do this first. We're just gonna have to make it work and erase the lines that we had on there. So we're gonna put that right in that bag and then seal it. Hold on guys, just give me 1 minute. Okay, so we just did this blind bag, just like that. So we're going to do the face now. I'm going to draw the little face right here. So there's my face, and then we're going to do this in a circle. So her eyes are a little different than the ones on there, but that's okay. So this is her face. So we're just gonna cut this out. Oh, I need to color it. Okay. So we're going to put stick on the back again. And then we're going to stick it to another piece of paper. Here we go. So we're going to take this piece, right? And then we're going to cut this part. And then we're going to tape like this. And then like this. And then finally, we're gonna take this side, and then boom, we got our face. So now that we did our face, we're going to put it in the bag. And we are going to now do our hair. Here. And then we're going to make this side a little bigger. Okay, so this is going to be our hair. This to this. Here. So we're just going to tuck this in like that. And that. So it's gonna be okay. And then we're going to just tuck it in there. Okay, guys. So now we're going to do the pants. So we're going to take this from where we ripped off. And we are going to make our pants. So yeah. And then that, like that. So I would recommend using pencil for this because it is a little hard to do. Okay, so there is our pants. So we're going to cut this off. Just wide enough. Yeah. Here we go. And then put it on there. Okay. And then you just put it in here. And on here we're going to write and then we're just going to tape it. So I do think this is turning out really good, guys. Like seriously. And I hope yours is turning out good too. Because I just wanted to do this for fun. Because I love Roblox. And I saw some other YouTubers do it. So I wanted to try. Okay. So we're going to take our Roblox blind bag case and then pop it in there like that. So we have to do one more thing. And then we're finished. We have to do the accessory. Like that. I'm going to do a Roblox baseball cap. Roblox, there we go. Okay, so now I need to cut it. We have to write like accessories. Okay. So we're going to put this in the bag. And then the last thing we have to do is, you know how this is connected? Have to flip it over this way. I'm gonna put you got orange. I can figure out which orange I used. Okay, so I put you got orange, good luck. We're going to pop this in the blind bag as well. So last thing, so we're going to have to close all these sides. Okay, so I'm getting stuffing right now. And we're going to put this inside. I hope you guys love this. My friend got hers to be slow rising. And that's really cool. So now we're going to close this side. Here, okay? So we're going to put this in this Roblox blind bag. And there we go. So we're going to now, for the last part of our Roblox blind bag, we're going to close the top and then put that little scissor thing. Okay? So this is all you really have to do for this really cute Roblox blind bag. And then you in the next video, I'm gonna unbox it all so that people that haven't watched this video are so surprised. I hope you love this Roblox blind bag so much.